Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Johnny and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing off the play button what I've got. It's over there. I'll get it in a second. Yeah, just thank you guys all for 360 subscribers. So we'll see if by the end of this month we can hit 370 subscribers. So this is what I wanted to show you. Doesn't look like much from the back. If you turn it around, it's a paper play button. See, congratulations for surpassing 350 subscribers. Then my name, Johnny Jackass, on the YouTube site. But yeah, this is the YouTube paper play button. Like, it won't work, but like you could put it onto your wall or something, like, it'll be pretty good, like, say like, there, if it didn't fall off, because, well, it just falls off for a minute. Yeah. But anyway, guys, this is for me surpassing 350 subscribers, but I'm not the one who I need to thank. You guys are, because if you guys didn't subscribe to us, poof, this wouldn't be here right now. I wouldn't be making this video right now. I wouldn't have this right now. So yeah, it's just really awesome. But if you guys want more play buttons, don't forget to leave a like. Well, not leave a like, but subscribe, because I'm going to make a better one of these for surpassing 500 subscribers whenever I surpass 500, because it's still 140 subscribers to go. But whenever I do hit 500, well, that's 60, 500 subscribers, I'll make an even better one of these. And yeah, it's just really awesome. But anyway, guys, what I'm thinking of doing is, well, I'm going to be saving up about £5, and I'm going to buy a new fidget spinner soon and do a giveaway. A fidget spinner giveaway. Don't know when I'll get a £5. Probably in the holidays, like the holidays, the week one, like the one where we'll have a week off. But yeah, thank you for this, guys. It's just awesome. Yeah, because I don't think next week, I might make a video on Friday, but I don't know if I will be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday. So for 4 days I won't be making any videos. And if you guys are asking why, it's just because, well, all next week we've got SATs to do. But it's really annoying. I don't want to do SATs, but we'll have to. I hope I pass. So, if you guys think I'll pass me SATs, either leave a thumbs up on this video, or leave a comment down below, or if you don't think, if you do think I'll pass me SATs, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on this video and comment down below. But if you don't think I'll pass me SATs, just leave a like. But I think I will pass me SATs anyway, guys. The teacher's saying, what am I well, he thinks I will. And yeah, so yeah, I'll be yeah, doing something. Thank you for this, guys, and everything. And yeah, that's just super awesome, guys. Thank you so much, guys. No, I'm kidding, nothing really happened. But anyway, guys, yeah, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video anyway. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, at 500 subscribers, still a long way. I will be getting, making an even better one of these. And then what I'm going to be probably doing at 500 subscribers is a video where I just stand in the garden and get eggs for hours or something. It'll be really fun to do. Or I could do a giveaway at 500 subscribers for something awesome. Or at 500 subscribers. So if you guys want us to do either 500 subscribers, a video where I get eggs, like through exiles, subscribe. If you want us to do a giveaway at 500 subscribers, like a really major one, like something super good, leave like. And if you want us just to do a random video at 500 subscribers, just comment. So yeah. So anyway, guys, thank you for letting me get that, and I will see you guys in the next video, maybe on Friday or tomorrow. See ya.